Section 1.3, where percentage is the union, asks us to do two things. The first step is to estimate your answer, and the second one is to calculate. When you estimate, you're looking for a reasonable guess, and when you calculate, you're actually going to solve. Three things will come in handy. 1, remember to use is over of equals percent over 100. 2, the union, or the upper corner of the flag where the stars are, is 7 5/8 feet by 5 3/8 feet. And 3, the flag is 19 feet by 10 feet. So the first question asks you, what percentage of the flag is taken up by the union? So go ahead and calculate what percentage of the flag is taken up by the union. Remember to compare the total area to the area of the union. The second question asks you to find what percentage of the flag is red. So to do that, you're going to take the area of the small union and subtract that from the total area of the flag. You're going to take that answer and find out what 7/13 of that is, and use that to help you answer question number 2 on page 250. Go ahead and calculate that now. Solution time. Let's see how you did. So to find the area of the union, which is the small upper corner where the stars are, you multiply the dimensions, the length times the width. 7 5/8 times 5 3/8. There's two ways you could do that. You can make improper fractions, or you can convert them to decimals. Either way, you're going to end up with 40.98 feet. So now you're going to plug that into your is over of up here. So my 41 feet out of the total of 190. Now this 190 feet came from the total dimension of the flag, which is 19 by 10, equals percent over 100. So I would do 41 times 100 and divide by 190 to get 21.6%. Let's see how you did on number 2, which asked us to find the percentage of the red flag. So to do this, you'd use your answer for number 1. You know that the union, its top spot at the top, is 41 square feet. So that leaves you with 190 minus 41. So know that the area of the rest of the flag was 149 square feet. We also know that 7 of the 13 stripes are red. So if we do 149 feet times 7 and divide by 13, we're at 80.2 feet. So we know that 80.2 feet out of the total of 190 is some percentage out of 100. So I cross multiply and do 80.2 times 100 and divide by 190 to get about 42%. How'd that compare to your estimate? It's time to tie everything together. So answer these two questions, or at least think about an answer. 1. How can you tell if two objects are scale versions? And 2. How did you find percentages of flags and the area that they covered? Now that you're done with this part of the lesson, you have 3 things left to do. First are the practice problems on page 252 through page 254, then the exit ticket, and then the extension activities. Best of luck. Raise your hand if you need any help.